Tired of complicated crypto transfers? Today, we're cracking the code on sending USDT between Binance accounts, so you can move your funds with confidence. First, log into your Binance account, then locate the wallet icon, usually at the top right of your screen. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Fiat and Spot. This is where you'll find your USDT balance. In your Fiat and Spot wallet, find USDT in the list of cryptocurrencies. Once you've located it, click on the Withdraw button next to it. This initiates the withdrawal process. On the withdrawal page, you'll see two options. Make sure Send via Crypto Network is selected now in the address field. Paste the recipient's Binance USDT deposit address. Ensure this address is from a Binance account. Triple check that the address is correct. A single mistake can result in lost funds. Next, select the correct network. Since you're sending within Binance, using the same network as the recipient account is crucial. Common options include BNB Smart Chain or Ethereum. If you are unsure, verify with the recipient the network they expect the funds to be sent on. Now, enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Double-check the minimum withdrawal amount and any associated fees displayed on the screen. Always factor in these fees when deciding how much to send. Finally, review all the transaction details carefully. Once you're satisfied, click the Confirm button. Binance will likely require you to complete security verification steps, such as email and SMS authentication, or using your Google Authenticator. Once you've completed the security checks, your withdrawal request will be processed. You can view the status of your transfer in your withdrawal history, and that's it. You've successfully transferred USDT between Binance accounts. Remember to always double-check those addresses. Stay secure and happy trading!